Are you looking for the best printers? In this video we will look at some of best printers. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 5. Brother MFCJ 4335DW INKvestment Tank Wireless All-in-One Printer Review, Smart Choice for 2026. The Brother MFCJ 4335DW INKvestment Tank Wireless All-in-One Color Inkjet Printer is an excellent option for anyone looking for reliability, affordability, and advanced features in 2026. Designed with cost-saving technology, this model comes with up to 1 year of ink included in the box, making it a budget-friendly solution compared to traditional printers. One standout feature is its duplex printing, which helps save both time and paper without compromising print quality. The sharp text and vibrant color output make it suitable for home offices, students, or small businesses. With wireless connectivity, users can easily print from laptops, smartphones, and tablets. It also supports mobile and cloud printing, adding convenience for modern workflows. Another advantage is its compatibility with Alexa, allowing voice-activated printing that feels futuristic and practical. Compared to other models in the same range, this unit balances performance with long-term ink savings. Whether you need to handle documents, reports, or creative projects, this all-in-one device delivers consistently. For anyone searching for the best printer 2026 with strong value and dependable performance, the Brother MFCJ 4335DW stands out as a smart investment. Number 4. Canon Megatank GX 2020 Wireless all-in-one Supertank Printer with duplex and mobile printing. The Canon Megatank GX 2020 all-in-one wireless Supertank printer is a reliable option for anyone who needs efficient printing, copying, and scanning in one compact device. Designed with a refillable ink tank system, it significantly reduces the cost per page, making it ideal for both home offices and small businesses looking for long-term savings. One standout feature is the 2.7-inch LCD color touchscreen, which makes navigating through functions quick and intuitive. The inclusion of an auto-document feeder and auto-duplex printing ensures smooth handling of multi-page jobs, saving both time and paper. For users who value flexibility, the wireless connectivity and mobile printing support mean you can print directly from your smartphone or tablet without hassle. Performance-wise, the print quality is sharp, and colors are vivid, suitable for reports, documents, or even light photo printing. Its speed is impressive for an inkjet, and the refillable tanks hold enough ink to handle heavy workloads without frequent interruptions. Overall, the GX 2020 is among the best printers for 2026 if you're seeking a cost-efficient, feature-packed, and user-friendly solution for everyday printing needs. Number 3. HP OfficeJet 250 All-in-One Portable Printer Compact wireless solution for 2026. The HP OfficeJet 250 All-in-One Portable Printer with wireless and mobile printing works with Alexa, CZ992A. Black is a smart choice for anyone who needs reliable printing on the go. Compact yet powerful, this device combines printing, scanning, and copying features in one sleek design, making it an excellent pick for professionals, students, or travelers. What stands out is its wireless and mobile printing capability, which allows you to print directly from your smartphone, laptop, or tablet without needing extra cables. The integration with Alexa adds a layer of convenience, letting you control print tasks hands-free. This is particularly useful in modern home offices or while multitasking. When compared to many models in the market, the HP OfficeJet 250 offers a rare balance of portability, performance, and print quality. It delivers sharp text, vibrant graphics, and consistent results, making it a contender for anyone searching for the best printer 2026. Battery-powered flexibility and compact size make it easy to carry, while the reliable build ensures long-term use. If you're looking for a portable, high-performing printer that fits both home and travel needs, this HP model is worth serious consideration. Number 2. Brother INKvestment Tank MFCJ 6955DW Smart all-in-one printer with wireless printing and 11x17 scanning. The Brother INKvestment Tank Color All-in-One Printer, MFCJ 6955DW, is a powerhouse designed for small businesses that need professional quality printing without constant interruptions. With support for wide-format 11x17-inch scanning and printing, it's a versatile option for teams that frequently handle large documents, blueprints, or marketing materials. One of its biggest strengths is the up to 1 year of ink included, making it an incredibly cost-effective choice compared to traditional printers. The INKvestment tank system ensures fewer cartridge changes, lower long-term expenses, and consistent, vibrant colors. Wireless printing is smooth, whether you're connecting from a laptop, smartphone, or tablet. The triple-layer security is another standout feature, keeping sensitive business data safe, a must-have for today's workplaces. When comparing options for the best printer 2026, this model stands out not only for print quality but also for its balance of efficiency and durability. The touchscreen interface is intuitive, and duplex printing helps save time and paper. Overall, the Brother MFC J6955DW is a reliable, all-in-one solution that delivers on performance, cost savings, and advanced features, making it an excellent investment for growing businesses. Number 1. Canon Megatank GX4020 Wireless Supertank Printer Review. A smart choice for 2026. The Canon Megatank GX4020 all-in-one wireless Supertank printer is a great choice for anyone looking for a reliable and affordable printer in 2026. This model combines printing, copying, scanning, and faxing into one compact device, making it perfect for both home offices and small businesses. One of its standout features is the Supertank system, which significantly lowers the cost per page while still providing clear text and vibrant color prints. The auto document feeder is another useful addition, making multi-page scanning and copying quick and easy, saving valuable time. With mobile printing support, you can easily connect your smartphone or tablet to the printer. The 2.7-inch LCD touchscreen ensures that navigating the printer's settings is simple and straightforward. When comparing printers for 2026, the GX4020 stands out. Its combination of high-quality output, low operating costs, and reliable wireless connectivity makes it a strong contender against traditional inkjet and laser printers. If you want a dependable all-in-one printer that offers both great performance and value, the Canon GX4020 is an excellent choice.